Well, hi folks, I'll just give you a very quick roundup, show you what's going on up at the plot in the midst of all this crazy madness that's among us at the moment. So I've had a lovely day today, so I've been social isolating or whatever they call it up here all day on my own. Managed to get a lot done. I've weeded and sorted out this bed, the one that I had the cabbages and the leeks and all sorts of stuff in, and then just taking out all the rest of the leeks that had gone over, and just covered a bit of put a bit of my spent compost on the top, as is the no dig way. So that's good, that's all done, ready to plant really now when it all gets going. So a few bits and pieces just starting to come. I bet a lot of people's rhubarb's massive by now, but it's always really slow up here because it is quite an elevated spot. It's always like 2 or 3 weeks behind everybody else. I'm on my phone, so it might be a pretty rubbish picture and sound and shaky, so I'll just try and get it all done in one shoot. I planted this thing, I've forgotten what it's called now. But it's looked quite exotic, and it really has taken up here. I'm surprised. So right, I'm just going. There's not a lot going on, as you probably would imagine. Again, a few more bits of rhubarb just starting to come up there, and the first leaves on the gooseberries. Again, there's probably people, down south have probably got gooseberries on by now, but up here we're always quite late. So now onto the polytunnel. Finally got it all trenched out. It was one heck of a job. I'll just walk down the trench. The amount of soil I've dug out is unbelievable. Crazy stuff. But at least it's all out now and it's been dry, so it did get flooded at one point and it filled up to the top. But it's all done. Ready for a calm day now to try and get the lid on. And then we should be good. Then I can tidy it all up and we can get going again. This is the wet bit, but it has dried up a bit. But like I said, it was a thankless task digging it all out, but it needed to be done. So that's the polytunnel as it stands today. And apart from that, I've just got my other main bed all sorted out now. You saw me plant the garlic, and I've just put 5 rows of onions in. Might better just pick them up. So there's 100 onions in there, 60 garlic. I've taken all the remaining turnips out, chucked a bit more compost in. So this bed's good to go too. So really, we're pretty much good to go. When the time comes, we'll start sowing a few more bits and pieces in April and then get them out. But anyway, that's about all that's going on at the moment. The polytunnel, it's going to get there. Another couple of weeks if I can get a day with absolutely no wind and my mates to give us a hand, we should be able to get it on. So anyway folks, that's about it. Like I said, just a very quick update. Gorgeous evening, not a lot going on.